to teach you about something today that I am very excited about. Weather. I bet many of you did not know that I used to have a job in weather. I used to be a weather forecaster for the United States Air Force. So I'm so excited about sharing a little bit of time every week with you so that we can study my favorite part of science, weather. We are going to start with a fantastic video from our Scholastic Let's Find Out. Are you ready? Pay attention.
What's the weather? When you looked out your window this morning, what did you see? Did it look like this? Or this? Or this? What you see out your window depends on the weather, and weather is a big part of our lives. We make decisions based on the weather, like what to wear and what to do. Let's say the weather is cold and rainy. What would you wear to go outside? A raincoat and boots? Or a swimsuit and flip-flops? A raincoat and boots will keep you dry. You also might need an umbrella. On rainy days, it can also be nice to stay cozy inside, especially if there's a thunderstorm. But after the storm is over, you can go out and play. It's fun to jump in puddles. What if the weather is snowy? Is it a good day to make a sandcastle or a snowman? On snowy days, you can make a snowman. Just remember to bundle up before you go outside. Brr, it's cold out there. Now let's say the weather is sunny. You might see a lot of people outside wearing these. There are a lot of things to do on warm, sunny days. You might play soccer, have a picnic, or just sit under a shady tree and read a book. Now, back to that picnic. Here's one thing that will definitely ruin it. Rain. So what can you do if you want to plan a picnic in advance? You check the forecast. A forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like. Scientists called meteorologists can predict the weather days in advance. They're not always right, but they help us plan ahead. Let's say the forecast says it will be windy tomorrow. It's time to get your kite ready. Windy days are great for kite flying. What other kinds of weather do you know? Cloudy means that there are a lot of clouds in the sky. Foggy means there are a lot of clouds near the ground. Clear means there are no clouds at all. So, what kind of weather is best for going to the beach? Cloudy, foggy, or clear? Clear. Just make sure to put on plenty of sunscreen. From snowy to rainy to cloudy to sunny, there are all kinds of weather. And that means there are all kinds of things to wear and do. What kind of weather is your favorite?
Okay, friends, I hope that you learned a lot from that video. Let's remember, weather is important because it helps us plan our day and it helps us know if we can play outside or if we need to stay inside or if we need a jacket or if we can wear our flip-flops. I have a fun activity for you to do at home. If someone in your family can find you one piece of paper, you can create your own weather journal. Now, mine's not fancy at all. I just took a plain piece of paper and I wrote weather forecast across the top. I bet you could find an adult in your house who could help you with that. And then I wrote Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,